All right, now in this section, we want to do a little tutorial on how to add Instagram posts / finance posts on the website. So here, I'm gonna need you guys to be very careful when you're editing, because unlike the blog posts that we did earlier on, here we need to go inside the actual website to make the changes. So we're already on our finance page, as you can see. So you want to select the category that you want to edit or add content to. So on this tutorial, we're going to do personal finance because I only preloaded a few. I didn't preload all of them. So let's go into personal finance. And as you can see, the general layout is already built, where you have your header and the toggles or drop downs where you add your content. So to add new content, you want to come up here where it says edit page. And then when it gives you this, you want to say edit with Elementor, which is the page builder we're using. Just let it load. Okay, so you can see that we've already, the layout is different from the blogs. So since we're editing this section here, you want to click this little pin and then say edit toggle. Then on the left side, you have your toggle items. So you've got your titles and your content. If you click the tile, you can see that this is where you add your content and this is where you add your title. So let's add something. Let's go back into our content page, and this is under personal finance. So I'm just going to search personal finance in brackets. I'm gonna start at the very beginning. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So the fourth one is money tips for self-employed individuals. So copy them all, copy the whole thing. Okay, no, you just firstly you copy the title. Sorry, first copy the title. To make it easy, I'm just gonna say capitalize each word first, then copy the title. And then when you're adding a new title, you want to come here where it says add item, and then under toggle title here, that's where you replace and you paste your title. And then the content, just copy all your content once again or type it in directly and then just paste it in, and there you go, just like that. So if you're like me and you want things to look good or to look consistent, you just want to remove this little bit of extra space that is between the subheading and the text. So it's just backspace and then shift plus enter so that you eliminate that line. So again, it's backspace, then shift plus enter, just so that it looks consistent. It's just me, you don't have to do this, but I just like things to look consistent throughout the website. And that's it. You can see that we've already added a tile, it's there already. Now if you want to make sure that everything is in alphabetical order, you're just going to need to drag your tile. So you want to put it here, and you can see that it's now on the third, it's alphabetical order. So let's just add one more under personal finance. Let's go next. We have what to do with your first salary. Again, I'm gonna first say capitalize each word for that little consistency. Then it's add item, copy paste in your title, and then just gonna style the text here first. Okay, then copy your content and then back into the editor, paste, and then just remove that extra space again, shift plus enter again, and there you go. And since it starts with W, it's already at the last, so no need to reorder the alphabetical order. And don't forget to hit update when you're done with your edits. Don't forget to hit update here on the bottom right section, the green button. Very, very important. And as you can see, it's updating and it's updated. So to preview your changes, right next to the update there's this little eye that says preview changes. So you click it, then you can see that your changes are made, the page is active, it's live. And yeah, that's how you add finance / Instagram posts.